One of the questions that have been floating around lately is how to apply the beard products and what's the correct sequence, right? In a previous video, we discussed damp versus dry beard and how to apply the product from that standpoint. You can find that video here. So that was, damp beard is better because it's going to be, a dry beard will actually be brittle when you comb it and it'll cause a lot of breakage. So from there, where do you go? So that next step would actually be applying the oil, after you come out of the shower and you do that wash. So you put the oil on there, get it on, make sure you massage it down to the skin. The oil is not geared toward for the hair, it's actually more for the skin and hydrating and nourishing the skin. To declog pores, cut down on acne, and just actually make sure that your skin is healthy to grow your beard in a healthy fashion, and help reduce some of those split ends that you might get at the same time. And then work it out from there. From there, you can actually do the balm or the butter. Personally, I'm a butter guy. So I like to put the butter on. Sometimes I actually use butter without oil. The butter that we have has vegetable glycerin in there. Vegetable glycerin actually pulls moisture from the air to help hydrate and nourish the hair and the skin at the same time. Versus the balm has beeswax in there and is more so geared toward more using creating a hold. And so ours is a light to medium hold. You don't need to use both of these at the same time. Just pick one that you like to use and go about it that way. And then the oil is usually good. Some people prefer to actually do the oil in the morning after the shower, or if you take a shower at night, do it then, and then doing like the butter as a leave-in conditioner overnight, and then applying the oil and the balm in the morning, or you can do either or, but you don't have to have all three on at the same time. So, just get the oil. After you apply the oil, leave the oil in for a few minutes, comb it through, brush it through, whatever your preference is, and then apply the balm or the butter after a minute or two to let that sit in there. And then this will actually help seal in some of that moisture, and help, nourish the hairs and the skin at the same time. 'Cause they always be behind